Employees get to drink.
The first time we came here, I'm coming to work every morning.
Video movie camera.
Is it?
Yeah, it's on movie mode.
All right.
Movie mode.
Zico, you're a superstar.
Most.
How's it taste? How's it taste?
Yeah. Tastes great.
You big mug. Oh, how you feeling, Greg?
Alright guys, do you have any other questions?
Another one.
Alright. Well, the one way
Man, I gotta
you can
zoom.
keep up to date on all of your Sam Adams knowledge from now until eternity, if you're interested, is to sign up for our What's on Tap newsletter. When you go outside, right outside the bathroom, you'll see a sign-up sheet. You just throw your email address on there. That's going to let you know when the Utopias, the next batch of Utopias, is finally ready and coming out. So you can spill your own underground.
Word up.
It'll let you know.
K-Man, say something funny.
Hey, best athlete ever, baby.
What time gym coming?
Well, there could be some blackmail in this, you know.
You can also find out when the new seasonals are about to come out. You can find out any of our new styles, any events that we have going on in the area. It's a really fun way to stay in touch with the company. Unfortunately, that is the last sample that I can send you today. We're done with our research
Greg, you're done.
room, but I can't prevent you from going out to do your own research elsewhere. If you guys are looking to go have
Rock out.